Hey everyone, the Red Magic 10s Pro is a bold new entry into the high-performance gaming smartphone arena, solidifying Nubia's Red Magic brand as a top-tier choice for mobile gamers who demand raw power, cutting-edge visuals, and advanced cooling in a sleek and futuristic package. Officially launched in China alongside the 10s Pro Plus, this device represents the most powerful Red Magic smartphone to date and is poised to make its global debut on June 5th, 2025. At the heart of the Red Magic 10s Pro is Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Leading Edition processor. This powerhouse is paired with up to 24 gigabytes of blazing fast LPDDR5T RAM and up to 1 terabyte of UFS 4.1 Pro storage. Visually, the 10s Pro offers a spectacular viewing experience. It features a 6.85-inch 1.5K OLED BOEQ 9 Plus display with a 95.3% screen-to-body ratio, offering immersive visuals with ultra-slim bezels. The display refreshes at 144 Hz, with a massive 960 Hz touch sampling rate. Add to that a peak brightness of 2000 nits, 10-bit color, DC dimming, and high-frequency 2592 Hz PWM dimming. Game visuals are further enhanced by Red Magic's proprietary RedCore R3 Pro chip, which optimizes frame concurrency and supports 2K resolution at 120 FPS super resolution, giving supported titles even more clarity and smoothness. It's a leap not just in performance, but in visual fidelity and immersion. Keeping all this power cool is no small task, and Red Magic has gone all in with its cooling architecture. The 10s Pro employs a combination of superconducting copper foil, a centrifugal 23,000 RPM fan, a 12,000 square millimeter vapor chamber with 3D ice step structure, and second-generation composite liquid metal cooling. This ensures the phone remains thermally stable even during long, intensive gaming sessions. The fan is visually integrated with the rear camera array in true Red Magic style, delivering a cyberpunk-inspired aesthetic that's both aggressive and distinctive. Notably, this generation of Red Magic phones is the first to include a built-in PC game emulator, which expands compatibility with select Steam games, an ambitious feature that further blurs the lines between console and mobile gaming. To enhance the tactile feel and responsiveness of gameplay, the phone comes with 520 Hz shoulder triggers, an X-axis linear motor for precise haptics, and dual stereo speakers for spatial sound. In terms of imaging, the Red Magic 10s Pro features a capable triple camera setup. It consists of a 50 megapixels primary OmniVision sensor with optical image stabilization, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixels macro lens. The front-facing 16 megapixels camera is cleverly hidden beneath the display using advanced under-screen AI technology, preserving the immersive full-screen experience without compromising selfie capabilities. Powering the 10s Pro is a sizable 7,050 mAh battery, supported by 80-watt fast charging, which ensures users can quickly get back into action. Meanwhile, the Red Magic 10s Pro Plus steps it up with a 7,500 mAh silicon carbon battery and ultra-fast 120-watt charging, capable of reaching full charge in just 35 minutes. The Red Magic 10s Pro isn't just a phone, it's a serious gaming platform with flagship specs, refined design, and features that cater to both competitive mobile gamers and enthusiasts who want the best performance possible in their pocket. As its global launch approaches, fans can participate in a promotional campaign running from May 26th to June 17th for a chance to win a free device or even get a full refund on their purchase. It's a fitting introduction for a device that redefines what a gaming smartphone can be in 2025. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.